Hi, I am Syed Hassan from High Technology Solutions, Kalkaji. I am training here for last 6 years, and I have a total experience of 20 years around of training in this field. I train basically on Advanced Excel, MIS, RDBMS, SQL, and VBA part. Here we are giving the training courses and prepare the advanced Excel course for advanced students who can ambition for their future goal and grow their professions in their field. We basically designed our courses based on the current requirement of the data in advanced Excel, like the current concept of the data, formulation and options of the data, and combination of formulas, multiple topics used in data handling and analysis, like formulation of advanced interactive dashboards, macros, data analysis, scenario manager, and much more. So interactive dashboard and any interactive courses combined in our technology is very useful for the students who want to analyze their scenario, analyze their data with the organization requirement, and we